Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sons of the Forest multiplayer using Hamachi. First, you will need to download and install Hamachi from its official website. Once installed, launch the application and either create a new account or log in to an existing one. It's crucial to ensure the Hamachi service is active and running smoothly. You will also want to note your unique Hamachi IP address, as this will be essential for connect. Next, one player needs to act as the host and create a new network within Hamachi. They will set a unique network ID and a strong password for security. All other players wishing to join the game must then open Hamachi and select the option to join an existing network. They will need to accurately enter the network ID and the password provided by the host to successfully connect to the private virtual LAN. Just Dance offers a variety of exciting game modes to explore. From the main menu, you can select options like the energetic sweat mode for a workout or the fun kids mode designed for younger players. The World Dance Floor allows you to compete with dancers globally. You'll find an extensive song catalog to choose from, and as you play, you'll unlock new songs, avatars, and other cool content. Many tracks even have different difficulty levels. For the client players, launch Sons of the Forest and go to the multiplayer menu. Select the Join Game option. You will then be prompted to enter an IP address. This is where you input the Hamachi IP address that the host shared with you. After entering it, click Connect, and you should be able to join your friend's game and begin your survival adventure together in the forest.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.